Snake plant, plant profile. Snake plant, Dracaena trifasciata, formerly Sansevieria, is also known as mother-in-law's tongue, St. George's sword, and viper's bowstring hemp. It has sword-like foliage that is quite striking. There are several cultivars available with a variety of striping, patterns, and growth habits. It's a popular houseplant because it is undemanding and low maintenance. It tolerates low light levels and infrequent watering. It's best to plant them in a well-draining cactus potting mix in a clay or terracotta pot. During the winter, water it only every couple of months. It will rot if it's overwatered, and do not water them in the center of the rosette. In the spring, mature snake plants can develop green-white flowers that later turn into orange berries. It's native to Western Africa, Southern Asia, and Madagascar. They are hardy to USDA Zones 10 to 12. Snake plant is propagated easily from cuttings and root divisions. When taking a cutting, let it dry for a few days to form a callus, then place it directly into well-draining potting mixes to form roots. Rooting hormone is generally not needed. Keep the plant dusted, fertilize it with a weak liquid solution every few weeks if desired. If a leaf is damaged, cut it off at the base. Snake plant, you can grow that.